Happy Thanksgiving week. There is not a lot of news coming out this week, but I tell you what, we have crossed the threshold on VA rates. We're slightly under 6% at 5.95 as we begin the day on Monday. And there is a good likelihood that rates will go down a little bit more this week because of some of the news coming out. Now, not a lot. Matter of fact, Thursday and Friday, there will be no economic news. Of course, the Supreme Court could come out with some ruling on tariffs that may move things around. But really, on Monday, we have a 2-year Treasury auction result. On Wednesday, we have an ADP preliminary estimate. Next week, we get the full jobs reports coming out. We also have a pending home sales report, which will show basically what we can expect to see in December closings. Consumer confidence report. Consumers, based on what I'm seeing in the news, are still spending money. They still got some room left on them credit cards because they certainly don't have anything left in savings. We get the Case-Shiller home price index, which is the gold standard for home price appreciation. A 5-year Treasury auction on Tuesday. So Tuesday's a big news day. And then Wednesday, the last news day of the week, we have initial and continuing jobless claims. Will we get to 2 million on continuing claims for unemployment? That will be a first. That will be a big number, first really since the pandemic began. And that's the big report coming out. We also have a Chicago Purchasing Manufacturers Index, and then Fed's Beige Book. But really, all eyes are going to be focused on what goes on with the Supreme Court and the tariff decision, which could come out here in the next couple weeks. That's about all we got. Again, looking at conventional rates right now, we are right between 6.3, 6.5% conventional rates. So they have gone up, but again, still down a little bit the last week. VA slightly under 6% at 5.95. So that's about what we got in the news as we start the week. Have a great week. Have an awesome Thanksgiving with friends and family. Aloha.